Set out for new goals. With the Amio Power Breather, you improve your technique, strengthen your endurance and respiratory muscles. For the first time, its smart valve system separates exhalation and inhalation. And therefore, you can swim as long and as intensive with it as you like. Its ergonomic design always gives you a clear view. You are steady in the water and don't have to turn the head for breathing. This is a relief, particularly for inexperienced crawl swimmers. But what is the difference compared to the snorkel? With a classic snorkel, always exhaled air stays in the system. Therefore, more carbon dioxide is inhaled. Performance drops. The Amio Fresh Air system is different. It passes exhaled air and moisture consistently to the outside. The breathable air stays rich in oxygen and dry. The Amio Power Breather, 100% fresh air for 100% endurance performance. With the Power Breather, even fast flip turns are possible. Perfect fit at the head. No pressure, no bother. Thanks to the EasyFit air junction, the mouthpiece is flexible and comfortable to wear. Speed vents for pool and open water, as well as with different breathing resistance, are available. The twist lock system provides safe hold for any head size. One single action is all it takes. Welcome at a new swimming dimension. Welcome to
instant repairs on the job site. They use a welding tool to fix it right. But you wouldn't try that on a pair of reading glasses at home unless you had 5-Second Fix, the liquid plastic welding tool that fixes, fills, and seals virtually anything in 5 seconds or less without the mess. Now that's going to save you money. 5-Second Fix is not a glue, but a super-powered liquid plastic welding compound. Simply apply, weld with the UV light, and in as little as 5 seconds, you have an everlasting repair. The secret to 5-Second Fix is the super-powered welding compound that cures to a permanent bond with the power of the UV light, so you always fix it right. Now you can fix a child's toy and bring back the joy in 5 seconds. It's perfect for crafters or hobbyists for a permanent repair on the ground or in the air. Fix flexible cords, small or large, so you always stay charged. Use it to repair a strap on a leather handbag in 5 seconds or less. And here's something you can't do with glue. We put 5-Second Fix to the test. We applied it to the ends of this tow cable to create a bond so strong, we pulled this 4,000-pound truck out of danger. Now that's amazing! And because 5-Second Fix only cures with the power of the UV light, you can position and reposition your repair so it perfectly fits there. Plus, 5-Second Fix is completely sandable and paintable. Your repair will be like new. Whether it's plastic, wood, metal, or glass, let 5-Second Fix repair it fast. Call or go online to get your 5-Second Fix with a special TV discount price of just $19.99. As a bonus, we'll include the protective carry case free. But to make this offer really powerful, we're going to double the offer absolutely free. And here's the best part. We're going to ship your entire order free. That's right, free shipping. Call or log on at 5secondfix.com.
This is the Echo Smart Pen from LifeScribe. It records everything you write and hear. Write notes during a meeting or lecture. Draw diagrams. Mark important information. To replay, just tap your notes and high-quality audio plays back from that exact moment. You can jump forward or go back to notes from days, months, even years ago. The Echo Smart Pen connects to your PC or Mac computer by USB cable to transfer your notes and audio to Echo Desktop. After the transfer, your digital notes and audio come to life as an interactive document called a pencast. Pencasts allow you to hear, see, and relive your notes exactly as they were recorded.
Or other small device.
To search your handwritten notes, type in any word. Echo Desktop searches for every place that word appears in your writing. Stay organized with custom notebooks by combining pages from different notebooks. Notes can be transcribed into typed text by downloading an app that's sold separately. You can even share your notes and audio as an interactive PDF, viewable by anyone using a computer or mobile device. The Echo Smart Pen. It's time your notes worked for you.
Yeah.